Are you hitting ChatGPT's limits and feeling stuck? Let me show you how to get around them and explore some fantastic way and alternatives to keep the AI flowing. Here's the deal. If you're on the free plan with GPT-4, you get only 10 messages every 3 hours. That can run out fast. With GPT 3.5, there's no message cap, but it's slower and less advanced. To make the most of it, ask detailed, multi-part questions in one message. For example, instead of, "How do I fix my PC?" and "What tools do I need?" combine them into one. You'll get a fuller answer without wasting your limit. Another tip: be mindful of peak hours. Usage limits are stricter during busy times, so try logging in during off-peak hours to maximize your free usage. Now, what if you want unlimited use? Microsoft Copilot is a fantastic option. It's built with GPT-4 technology, totally free, and integrated into Microsoft Edge. Just type in your queries, and you'll get high-quality AI responses without worrying about hitting a cap. Unlike ChatGPT's free plan, there are no message restrictions in Copilot, so you can keep asking questions as much as you need. Copilot is designed to be a real-time assistant, so you'll get answers quickly without waiting for a long response time. If you're using ChatGPT for day-to-day tasks like drafting emails, creating outlines, or answering questions about technical topics, Copilot could be a better option, especially for those who want more flexibility and fewer restrictions. When should you upgrade? If you're using ChatGPT for more intensive work, such as content creation, research, or data analysis, upgrading to Plus is a no-brainer. It's also a great option for business owners or students who need to interact with ChatGPT multiple times throughout the day. That's it. Combine smarter strategies, free tools like Copilot, and affordable upgrades, and you'll never feel limited again.